Nutri-blend is already India's most popular mixer grinder. But our customers, they wanted something even more powerful. Why? Because many of them want to continuously grind coconut chutney, they want to make puri, they want to make dosa or idli batter. So they needed more power. And here is more power in the form of Nutri-blend Bolt. Even more beautiful looking, with a beautiful flower design and 600 watt power. Yes, this is 50% more powerful than Nutri-blend. It has the same magic of Nutri-blend, transparent unbreakable jars. Just twist and play. The small grinding jar for chutney and dry masalas, tall jar for smoothies and shakes, and the powerful body. And of course, the sprinkler lid and the cover lid. But here's something extra. Comes with a zipper attachment. So you can make your smoothie and take it with you. You can take it with you to the gym, to your office, for a drive. Fantastic. And of course, Nutri-blend is supported by an all India service in 12,000 pin codes across India.